Aviation This Week is brought to you by Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Your top story: Airbus begins U.S. production of the A220, the Bombardier reports second quarter results, and CAE reaches a 10-year training deal with Southwest. Airbus on August 5th officially began manufacturing the A220 in the United States at its production facility in Mobile, Alabama. This U.S. expansion to a second production line in Mobile adds to Airbus's existing commercial aircraft manufacturing network in Asia, Canada, and Europe. Several of the company's Alabama-based A220 workers received on-the-job training in Mirabel, Quebec, where the A220 program and primary final assembly line are located. The first U.S.-made A220, an A220-300 destined for Delta Airlines, is scheduled for delivery in the third quarter of 2020. Airbus expects that by the middle of the next decade, the Mobile facility will produce between 40 and 50 A220 aircraft per year. Leveraging Pratt & Whitney's new generation geared turbofan engines, Airbus states the A220 is the only aircraft purpose-built for the 100-150-seat market. There was an order book for 551 A220 aircraft at the end of June 2019. Bombardier on August 1st reported its second quarter results ended June 30th and provided an updated guidance for its current fiscal year that accounts for the consolidation of its aerospace assets into a single reporting segment, Bombardier Aviation. The new guidance also reflects additional investments of up to $300 million needed to transform Bombardier's rail business by the end of 2020. With continuing struggles in what the company describes as legacy rail projects, Bombardier posts a net loss of $36 million in the second quarter of 2019. Revenue in Bombardier's business aircraft segment for the quarter grew 6% relative to last year's quarter. Aircraft deliveries in the segment remained stable at 35 versus 34 last year. This included the delivery of two Global 7500 aircraft, which became commercially available in December 2018 as Bombardier's new flagship business jet. Bombardier maintained what it describes as a healthy liquidity position, closing the second quarter of 2019 with $3 billion of cash on hand. CAE of Montreal reached an agreement to train more than 700 new professional pilots over the next 10 years for Southwest Airlines. As a training partner in the airline's Destination 225-degree program, CAE will screen, assess, and train cadets selected by Southwest starting in January 2020. The training will take place at CAE's Aviation Academy in Phoenix, Arizona. Since 2002, CAE has been providing training equipment to Southwest in Dallas, where it currently operates more than 15 Boeing CAE 737NG full-flight simulators, including the 7000XR series. All of the devices are equipped with the CAE Tropos 6000XR visual system. To join Southwest, the aspiring pilots can choose between two pathways, which includes accumulating 1,500 hours as flight instructors at CAE Phoenix. Thanks again to our sponsor, Livero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Register today for Careers in Aviation 2019, taking place on September 21st at WestJet's facility in Mississauga.